Okay, I'm going to do a quick video, basically to create content. So I have this little Bluetooth speaker, and it does work. Like, where's the switch gone? On the bottom. It should make the sound. Sounds a bit crankly there, but it's probably because it rattles. So I was just going to take it apart and see what's wrong with it, and see if there's anything we could possibly do to fix it. And I thought I'll just make a video out of it and see if it's exciting. So I made a video out of trying to fix a camera before, and I've never posted it anywhere because it was a bit strange, and I'm not entirely sure that I fixed the camera. So I've already loosened off the base, so it pops off. It's a bit dirty. Who needs the base? Well, I need the base because it has a pretty good base actually. Speaking of that, and you know, it's not too much. I don't like too much bass, but it has just the right, and it's good for a little tiny speaker. Not having said that, I don't actually own any other Bluetooth speakers, so I don't really know how good a Bluetooth speaker is. But this was adequate for me. It only cost, I think, like $4 or $5 from the op shop, so that made me happy. But they could all be that good, and they could all be fine. And so here we go. It's going to pop off. It's got a line in and a charge, and it seems pretty old. Ooh, I'm going to break something, aren't I? Okay, so that's the inside part, and this is all the bits and pieces we shouldn't touch unless we're going to break it. And these wires look like they can break very easily. So this looks harder than I was hoping to take apart. So maybe I don't even have to take. I think I do. Alright, I'm going to put that back on for a second. Maybe we have to open it from the top. So maybe there's a bit around here. So taking those screws off has really not given me a lot of hope. I'm going to put one back in. Oh my goodness, come on. Be nice, screws, be nice. These are different. No, they're not. I think they're the same size. That would be really mean, right, if you have one different kind of screw for each hole. Right, who would do that? Alright, so somehow I've got to take this top part off. That's not going to work. This is not going to be a video worth posting because I can't do it. Oh, here we go. We can do it. It stuck to my fingers. Alright. So this is the way to go. Ooh, it's not really an electronics thing, is it? Well, it's got electronics in it. It's fine. We can do this. We can have a relaxing. We could have talked. Well, we'll open up the bottom again and we'll have a quick talk about what the various bits do. Not that I really have any idea. There'll be some little IC that does like music decoding and Bluetooth connection, and some part of it's an aerial, and perhaps another IC which just manages the battery. You can pretty much guarantee that's kind of how these things work. I don't think there's anything groundbreaking in there. But maybe I should check. Maybe there's actually like some hidden chip that's listening in. Oh, this is not coming off. Come on, we're so close. Come on. Alright, we've got to do it from both sides. So if we put it on the bottom, and then we put... This is the wrong screwdriver. That doesn't matter. It's just got to get in there. Or actually, we'll put that one on that side, and then we'll leverage it up on this side with this one. Come on, just pop off. You can do it. Here we go. Oh, no, we're not. But it's getting higher. Something's going to break, and I'm going to be like, oh, I really like that thing. Okay. You can see like a little bit. Something's stopping it from popping off. And it's probably, it's just glue, I think. So here we go. That's the speaker, and you can see what's kind of gone wrong here. That's why it's rattling around. So it looks like there's some little rubber ring. Oh, it's gone and broken the rubber ring. But maybe if you bring it up, it pops back over the top. And so here's the speaker. We've got to be real careful because those two little wires that we saw before, those little delicate tiny wires are the ones that are just there. So I don't know if you can see that. They're on the inside. There's not a lot else to see in there. It's just basically to make good sound. But it's come through, fallen down. You know what, I should have got out the glue gun, and I have a glue gun all ready for something. I had prepared glue. Okay, must think. Wish it was a pause function for recording. Gonna pause. Alright, I'm going to stop the video here. And then I'm gonna go get some glue. And then I'm gonna come back. We're gonna glue it together in a separate video. Maybe I'll actually put them together. And that will be cool. Alright, thanks. And so like, share, and subscribe. So tomorrow, by tomorrow I mean in 5 minutes, we shall come back and fix this thing up. Because I think we can fix it up. So cool. Thanks. Like, share, and subscribe.